Did you know that every product sold in the EU will have a digital passport? When purchasing a new pair of shoes, a simple scan will show you their life cycle. Everything will be traceable, from the main leather and outsoles to the thread used to assemble them. We are reshaping our industry to ensure full transparency, introducing data collection checkpoints across the entire value chain. And with all this new data, we can detect wasteful processes and find solutions to all kinds of inefficiencies along the way. Soon, you will be able to know the environmental impact of all your shoes, get instructions on how to care and repair them, and track them until they are recycled into a new product.